A few years ago I witnessed true love. Yeah, we were so young and just beginning, and you were my best friend. Every night on the phone till 2 a.m. you would listen when all I needed was your voice on the other end. And you were riding shotgun, and asked you to be the one from that day on. Every kiss felt like the first one. Remember when I held your hand and we were each other's plans, king and queen of our kingdom, and still the story isn't done. You fall asleep in my arms underneath the stars. You were the only reason I wrote this on my guitar. You and I both have our own dreams. We want so desperately, and not out of our reach. I want to see my name in lights, and tour the world with a guitar and mic, to make the way it wouldn't be right. You're still the one I dream of at night. And when it gets hard, I listen to your voicemails that I still have stored. Just makes everything feel alright. No, remember when I held your hand and we were each other's plans, king and queen of our kingdom, and still the story isn't done. You fall asleep in my arms underneath the stars, and you were the only reason I wrote this on my guitar. Chapter of my life is done, you still be the one. We'll go back to your riding shotgun. Till then I wanna thank you for being my best friend, my partner, my love, my dream, my everything. And I'll still hold your hand until the very end. You're still the queen of our kingdom. Was a story from day one. You fall asleep in my arms, I kiss you under the stars. Just keep holding on to that first kiss and shotgun. Oh no. A few years ago I fell in true love.